Kelly, $4, keep going.
Hush.
Jojo Car is back with another video, man. Before we start this video, y'all see the Jeep. Nice ass Jeep. I usually do a detail. This is my neighbor's car. I usually do details on it and just clean it up, so it looks pretty decent. But before we start this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Jojo Cars right there. We got, you can follow anybody who wanna take a screenshot, and or if you see yourself from riding on the chalkboard hood or whatever, comment down below. But today we have rails for this car, so these ones are a little bit rusty. Not a little bit, a lot of it. Yeah, basically. So yeah, that's going on. So yeah, he wanted to get them replaced and bought new ones. Ow. So yeah, here's that removal and replaceable. So just staying tuned. I'm just taking off the bolts. It's just literally bolts holding it in like that. Hopefully the new ones come with new ones, but we're gonna see right now. And if not, we'll probably either buy some or I don't know, we'll see. So just stay tuned to what you see is what you get, and we'll be right back. I just wanted to make a little video real quick. All right, y'all could tell I kind of like bent this motherfucker over because it was just bent upwards for some reason, so I had to get it to be straight. You feel me? So this is the last one. All right, y'all, I'm on the last bolt. I don't know if it's gonna come out. It did. So boom, there goes one. There goes one, and I had to bend that shit. And I guess I'm gonna just go for the other side, y'all. Just take it all off and then just put on a new one together, just cause it was more annoying to take it off than I thought. So I'm gonna just collect all this stuff right here, all the bolts. Hopefully the new one comes with new ones, but we're gonna see in a second, y'all. So just stay tuned. Once again, I'm using an 11 mil. 10 mil was too small. $10 mil was too small. Yeah, that's perfectly 11. Chief. But yeah, so on to the next side, y'all. All right, y'all. So I took them off finally. A little struggle later. You can see some of the rust from that shit. All the rusty bolts. You feel me? But they're right here. I already threw them over here. Let somebody take those. But here's how it looks without bars right now. And we're gonna get them new bars put on right now. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. Hopefully we don't get copyright for that music in the background, but basically here they are. It's, I don't even know how to say that, but I'll probably link it down there below. But let me open these up. As if I don't have a knife right here. Let me just get this shit open.